Hello, kids! Today we are going to make a beautiful rainbow unicorn. So pay attention to the video! Our unicorn looks amazing! It's painting time! First we use pink for her nose. And rainbow colors on the hair, first for purple. Dark blue! Dark green! Now we use yellow! Now we use orange, red. Let's make the same for her ponytail, but first with red. Let's paint her ear of the same color of the nose, and we will paint her feet with light blue. And we will paint her corn with the same as the ponytail, first with red and finishing with purple. More than beautiful and cute, colorful unicorn! If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!